Good morning, children. I hope all are good. Today's topic is divisions exercise 2.2. Here first Roman only given, only one Roman. What is the first question here? An orange garden has 82 orange plants. Okay. A farmer plucks 60 oranges from each plant. Okay. And plucks 12 oranges in each box. Okay, children? Calculate the number of boxes required to pack all oranges. Okay, children? Here observe that once again total tree plants is 82. 82 orange plants is there. But each plant gives us at 60 oranges. Each plant gives us 60 oranges. But one box in fill up to how many oranges? Only 12 oranges. Find the calculate number of boxes. And total boxes used, you mentioned there. Okay, to pack all oranges. How to find out this? Here, giving it an orange. Garden has 82 oranges. A farmer plucks 60 oranges from each plant. From each plant. Okay. Total plants is 82. Each plant is 60 oranges plucked at. Okay. Here the number of boxes. The number of boxes here. You know that? You don't know. That's why put at question mark. Okay. The number of oranges in each box. The number of oranges in each box. Each box in put at 12 oranges. Okay, children? The number of oranges in each box equal to 12. The number of oranges in an orange garden. Okay. How to write? Total oranges is 4,920. Sorry. Total oranges is here first you taking that multiplied. Okay, children. How to multiply it here? Total plants is 82. Total plants is 82. Each plant plucked the oranges is 60. That's why first here using that multiplication here. Total plants is 82. Each plant plucked out 60. Okay, 60 oranges. You know that already I am told that here last 0 is there. You directly multiply that 6 table. Okay, 6 to the 12. 6 8 is 48. 48 plus 1 49. Okay. Multiplication means repeated addition. That's for using the adding here. Here 1 0 is there. That's why put to here 1 0. Okay, children. After that going at total oranges is 4,920 divided by here using at how many boxes? 12. Using the boxes is each box is 12. Sorry, each box is 12. Okay. Put the 12 oranges. 12 means in each box equal to put the 12 oranges. That's why here using a 12. Okay. After that, put the 12, 4920. You know the 12 table. 12 ones, 12, 12 twos, 24, 12 threes, 36, 12 fours, 48. Okay, children? Here, giving us 2 digits. Here also giving us 2 digits. Okay, taking the 2 digits. 49 is nearby number is 48. 12 5 is 60 is the highest number. That's why taking the 48. 12 fours, 48. Okay, children? Division means repeated the subtraction. That's why he is saying that minus here. 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. After that, taking to 2. Okay, children? Here 12 is there. 12 ones, 12. Okay. Finally, 0 is only is there. That's why not putting here. Put to here. Okay, children? How many boxes using here? Totally 410 boxes is using here. 400 boxes is using here. This is first using at multiplication. After that, using the division. Okay, children? Observe that. First given the plants is, total plants is 82. Each plant plucked to orange is 60. You find out the first total oranges. Total oranges is, you multiply after comes to 4920 divided by taking the 12. Here number of oranges in each box is 12. Each box is 12. That's why here taking to 12. Division after. Here our last one is the number of oranges in an oranges in the garden. Okay. Total using the box is 410. Okay, children. Next going at second sum. What is the second sum here? 15 school children have a cap for a day excursion at 9 rupees for kilometers. If they travel of distance of 325 kilometers, find the amount be shared by each one of them. Here total children is 15 members. Okay, children? A cap charges equal to nine rupees. Okay, 9 rupees per kilometer. 9 rupees per kilometer. Okay, the children travel a distance 325 kilometers. Here mentioned that 325 kilometers equal to 325 into each kilometer is 9 rupees. Okay, each 1 kilometer is. That's why first using at multiplication. 9 5 is 45. 9 2 is 18. 18 plus 4, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. 9 3 is 27. 27 plus 2, 27 after 28, 29. 2925 kilometers. Okay, the distance of total amount is 2925 rupees. The amount shared by rupees. This one is rupees. Total distance is 325. Each kilometer is 9 rupees. Okay. The amount shared by each student equal to, here total amount is 2925 divided by, here total students is 15 members. That's why taking at 15. How to write? Put the middle 2295. Okay. You know the 15 table. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. Okay, children. Here taking a 29. Here 29 is the, here 15 twos are 30. 30 is the highest number. That's why taking it 15 ones are 15. Okay. 9 minus 5, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. After that taking to 2. Okay. 15 3s are 45. Next 15 4s are 60. 15 5s are 75. 15 6s are 90. 15 7s are 105. 15 8s are 120. 15 9s are 135. 15 10s are 150. No, 150 is the biggest number. 135 is the smallest number. That's why nearby number 142 is 135. 15 9s are 135. Here 2 is the smallest number. That's why taking here borrowing. Borrowing the, you take at borrowing. Here comes to 3. Here comes to 12. Okay. 12 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total number is 7. Okay. After that taking to 5. Here you know that already 75 is there. 15 5s are 75. Okay. Each student you can how total amount collecting as 195 rupees. Okay, children. Okay. Total amount is, each student the collecting amount is 195 rupees. After that I am going to another sum is last one. Anita has a cow which yields 8 liters of milk in a day. The selling price of 1 liter of milk is 18 rupees. She wants to divide the amount earned in 1 month. 1 month means 30 days. Mentioned here. About among her 4 sons. What amount does each one get? Okay, children. 1 liter of milk. 1 liter of milk equal to 18 rupees. Okay, 1 liter of milk cost is 18 rupees. A cow which yields 8 liters of milk in a day. Every day 8 liters of milk a cow which yields. Okay, that's why taking at 18 into 8. Okay, children, 18 into 8. Because of 1 liter cost is 18 rupees. 8 liters cost is, you don't know, that's why you multiplied here. 8 8s are 64. Okay, 8 1s are 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 liters cost is 144. But here giving at 30 days mentioned there here. Observe that in 1 month purpose total amount. 30 days the number of liters of milk equal to total, the amount of milk equal to, you multiply that Total every day which amount comes here? 144. Okay. Into total month, 1 month purpose. 1 month means 30 days. Okay. Here last 0 is there. That's why you multiply at 3. 3 4 is 12. 3 4 is 12 plus 1 13. 3 1 is 3 plus 1 4. Okay. Last 0 is there. That's why putting at 0. Total 1 month purpose, how total amount is 4,320 rupees comes. Okay. The amount of each son get. Okay. The amount of does each one get. Okay. The amount of each son equal to, you multiplied here, total how many total sons is, how many members? Total son 4 sons. Okay. Total son is 4 members. Okay. That's what total amount is 4,220 divided by total 4 members is, that's why divided by 4. Okay. How to divide? 4320. You know the here single digit is there, that's why taking at single number. 4 ones are 4 0. 4 minus 4 0. After that taking at 3. Comparable 4 comparable to 3 is the small number. You not here use not using a division. That's why taking at another number. But how to take? Here put the 0. After that taking to another number. You know that already. 4 8s 32. Okay, children. Here last is 0 only is there. Not put here. Put here. Each son, the amount of each son get is 1,080 rupees. Okay, children. Each one son get amount is 1,080 rupees. Okay, children. Okay.